There's a little blue
Yeah, that center open so that arm can go down.
I did that again too.
What?
Got a chair.
That's fine, man. You can use mine when I'm out. What city is this? Kansas City.
Continue on I-670 west for half a mile.
I gotta see that mirror, dude. You can't be sitting in that mirror.
Stay on I-670 west. Keep left, stay on I-670 west.
Why would I stand 670?
Oh no.
Well, here's the thing. If we do go west, it doesn't matter because we gotta get west of where we are anyways.
Half a mile, use the left 3 lanes to take the exit toward I-70 west.
Jonathan, you need to look.
Todd, are you gonna be able to make that one? Yeah.
See the arrows?
There's,
They go
yeah.
over the guy's right.
yeah. That's the one Johnny's gonna crash on.
I'm gonna scrub it.
You're not gonna do that one. Do yellow.
We couldn't find the forms.
We couldn't find them.
No.
We'll have to come back and get them. I don't know what he's doing.
Head that, well, if you don't sell that to us, we'll just buy something else and compete with you. And they were trying to.
Oh, I see.
So anyway, but they bought that for $800,000.
Wow.
And they don't have a third of the land we have.
Really?
But it's a circle track, so.
Yeah. A car track, is it?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
81. It was 81 Speedway. Now it's going to be. I'm not sure what it's going to be now. Park City Speedway or something. But anyway, but yeah, thanks for coming. You guys, you got. There's. You staying here tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's. You're free. You're good to go. Did you sign the waivers?
We
and all that?
haven't.
go
We
do
gotta
that.
do that.
Okay, yeah,
so.
sign the waivers, and you can ride today all you want. Just make sure you have helmets on.
We can, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
Yeah, you sign the waivers, and since you're going to ride tomorrow, and yeah.
Is there anywhere to ride or not ride or something?
Well, just don't knock any of the banner stuff down.
Oh, okay,
You know, so
yeah,
you got
yeah. All right.
You know, you can go back there and ride that track, but you know, if there's banners across it, then you just go around them and keep going. Yeah. We've got 6 tracks. We got a motocross track. We've got a supercross track, flat track. There's a Pee-wee pit bike track over there. There's a 70s vintage track over that area, and in that corner is a bone breaker track. But it's if you like to fly,
Saw
that's
that.
the one.
We saw that one.
So.
What tracks are on the course tomorrow?
What?
What tracks are on the course tomorrow?
It's the whole property.
All of them.
It's different every time. I don't even know what they set up.
Nice.
I'll go out
Perfect.
myself.
Cool.
Yeah.
How much are your
Annual dues.
yeah
Yearly memberships?
memberships?
It's a family membership and it's $200.
Really? And
Yes.
that's your whole family, no
Whole
matter if you
family.
have 6 kids or 2 kids?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, it's a. These people around here don't know what they have.
That's
Some people-
amen.
Oh my God! I just spent $10,000 on a motorcycle, but I can't spend $200 on a membership to have some place to ride it.
Yeah, I would do that in a minute.
Cheap.
Yeah, we're about 280 members now, 280 families. So, and we've been up to as far as 450.
And
How
that-
often do you host races and
yeah.
stuff?
We hold about 20 events a year.
Oh, okay.
We have 6 supercrosses, and as the supercrosses are going on, we have a flat track going on at the same time.
Cool.
Dual event.
That's cool.
We have 4 flat tracks scheduled now, 6 supercrosses, 2 motocrosses down there, a vintage. You guys ride vintage?
I do. He does.
Yeah. We try.
October,
everything.
October 18th is our vintage race, and it'll be on that track. But they will take all those jumps down there. Instead of like this, they'll lay them down.
Okay.
They'll either run it on there. They've run it on there the last few years because it's so much easier to set up down there. But we run this vintage track over here. They've run it before that. Then we run 5 hair scrambles. 3 of them are on our property. One of them is by Great Bend. It's coming up March 1st, and it's right along the Arkansas River.
Okay.
It's actually in the Arkansas River
Yeah.
in places.
Cool.
And then the other one is a new track down south here by Udall, and it's on 40 acres, and it is tight. I might ride this bike.
Yeah.
This guy has it. Okay, that section over there with all the evergreens, his whole 40 acres is like that.
Evergreens like that. Yeah.
No, I'm talking the whole thing.
Nice.
Yep.
That's cool.
If you're looking for a place to eat or stuff like that, just get on the interstate here, go 3 miles that way, and there's all kinds of stuff in that area there.
Okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
There's Mexican. If you get on 61st Street and go into Park City, there's some Mexican restaurant, a good Mexican restaurant in there, Cantina. It's on the north side. There's Cracker Barrel. There's McDonald's on 53rd down one more exit is McDonald's. There's Taco Tico, Wendy's, Applebee's. There's just a bunch of them now.
Got it. Perfect.
And that's, we take a right here and take another right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go right, get on the interstate and go
Oh yeah, that's right. We're right.
When we come back, where can we find waivers? Just want to make sure we get.
They're up there at the
That blue
that little blue shed inside of there.
Okay, look like an envelope type.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can all fill out the same waiver.
on the same one. Okay, yep, I saw those. All right.
And then tomorrow,
Sign again.
sign in. You'll sign another waiver there.
Yeah.
For the
Okay.
actual race.
Will we? One other quick question, but will we need a key to get in and out of the gate right now? If we.
You will. It's locked up. I'll meet you down there if you want to go out.
Okay.
Yeah, we were gonna go get a bite to eat,
Okay.
and then we'll just have to walk back in and get someone.
I'll probably just go open it because we'll have people. I'll just go open it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Hey, thanks for stopping
Thanks
by.
for coming, guys.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming over.
Hope you have fun.
Oh, we
Oh,
will.
we will.
Yeah, I've
So-
been. I'm not the president of the club right now. I'm a board member, but I've been the president the last 2 years. The 3 years before that, I was the chairman of the board. The 7 years before that, I was the president, and then the 6 years before that, I was the vice president. So I'm trying to get out of this a little
All
bit.
right.
Yeah.
But I love it. I love racing.
Yeah.
You guys, how long have you guys been racing?
Oh, you know, on and off for
Yeah.
25 years, I suppose.
Yeah.
That's what I raced when I was a teenager.
Yeah.
You know,
same
16, 17,
thing.
my parents wouldn't have anything to do with it. These kids nowadays, if I had what they had, you know, parents buying them bikes and
Oh,
all
yeah.
that, oh man,
Yeah.
I'd get cloud 9.
Yeah.
I had to buy my own bikes.
Yep.
Yeah.
At 13.
Yeah.
Yep.
Same here.
And then 18, I bought another one. Or anyway, I got into cars and boats, and then I didn't get back into it until I was 38. And I've
Yeah.
been racing ever since.
Yeah, I was that same thing. Since I was like 30 when I started riding.
When you started back
again.
in? Yeah. So, I've been fortunate. I've been lucky. All right, have a good time, guys.
Yeah,
If
thanks
you
a
need
lot.
anything, just holler. I'm right there in that camper.
That was the wolf pack.
Yep, the wolf pack.
Alrighty, thanks.
You
You don't know either.
No, I tried rewatching it.
Oh, you're just web.
I wonder what the number that he won in 97. That's the
I was at Red Buddy crashed in the second. Towards the beginning and jogged out and took the overall.
I was in Indianapolis, like,
Millville. It was just a great race between him and Doug. Okay, Indianapolis.
you get the banner caught up in his front wheel like 3 laps ago. Front back wheel.
Your cat.
Looking at them, but
These
yeah.
ones.
Here, you want to hold this for a little bit? It's filming.
Are you recording?
Yeah, we'll just
Act natural. Act natural. That's all you
just kind of show them how we get started, you know, in the morning.
Show who?
Us, you know, the people who want to
Who are
race.
interested in us?
Yeah,
Who are those people?
Who are those people?
I don't know. They never tell me.
Try to
Yeah.
get that sideways. It's really
Yeah, no, I was getting a full view.
I don't like that.
Why don't you like that, Dave? Tell me about it.
Why would anyone watch me put my boots on? Here,
Good point.
They don't know how.
6 minutes of your life wasted.
Fuck.
Yeah. It's literally gonna take
Is
6
this your pre-race routine?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, generally, before the race, I'm trying to figure out what I did with the cover for my camelback. I'm only like 5 minutes into it right now, and
I will check back with you later.
for averages, I get like another at least 5 minutes to go before I find it.
Okay, good talk.
I'm going to go over the team rules. Whenever we exchange, you must touch. Yeah. All right. Riders must switch out at the pit or fuel up designated area, and they must touch. You guys can bump tires. You can touch. Yeah, touch. If a rider breaks down or the rider crashes and cannot safely continue to switch out to the designated area, the riding partner may continue the race at the point of breakdown or crash. One of the riders or pit crew must notify a track official as soon as possible when this is happening. All right. Go ahead and start the national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sing us that star-spangled banner yet waves o'er the land of the free and the home of the
I think I can jam on that XR. I don't know. I'm sure he's running the vintage class. It's an 87.
I don't know what lap Dave is on.
to that 99 roar. Listen to that big man.